Good day to all, Tech Garti here, and today we're embarking on a culinary journey to the heart of Spain. We're going to unravel the secrets of creating the perfect paella, a dish that's not just a meal, but an embodiment of Spanish culture and heritage. So, ready those aprons and let's begin this flavorful adventure. Before we immerse ourselves in cooking, it's crucial to appreciate what paella is. Hailing from the region of Valencia, paella is a vibrant medley of rice, often prepared in a large shallow pan. This dish beautifully combines seafood, meats and vegetables in a flavorful symphony, but remember, there's no one right way to make it. Today we'll be crafting a traditional seafood paella. First and foremost, the ingredients. For a classic seafood paella, we require short-grain rice, specifically bomba or calaspara, a variety of seafood, including prawns, mussels, and squid chicken thighs, to add that extra depth of flavor chorizo for a hint of smokiness, fresh vegetables, bell peppers, tomatoes and peas. The star of the show, saffron, for that stunning golden color. And of course, garlic, onion, and a high-quality chicken broth got all that. Excellent, time to cook. Begin by heating olive oil in your paella pan. Add in your chicken and chorizo, aiming for a delectable golden brown color. That's where your flavor starts building. Once done, set them aside. Now, in the same oil, sauté your onion and garlic until they're tender and aromatic. Next, incorporate your bell peppers and tomatoes. Cook them down until they're wonderfully soft. This is where your paella begins to develop its unique character. Now, introduce your rice. Allow it to slightly toast in the pan, absorbing all those mouth-watering flavors. Time for the liquid gold, our chicken broth. Pour it in, along with a generous pinch of saffron threads. Gently stir to blend everything. Now, a secret to a great paella. From this point, no more stirring. This will create that coveted, crispy Socarrat at the bottom. When the rice is half cooked, it's time to add the seafood. Arrange your prawns, mussels and squid in the pan. They'll cook in the steam and infuse the rice with their oceanic flavor. As we near the end, scatter in your peas for a burst of color and texture. Allow everything to simmer until the rice is al dente and the seafood is thoroughly cooked. The tantalizing aromas filling your kitchen are simply divine. Switch off the heat and let your paella rest for a few minutes. This allows the flavors to beautifully blend together. Finally, garnish with lemon wedges and a handful of chopped parsley. And voila! A spectacular paella ready to be savored. Alright, my fellow food enthusiasts, that's the art of crafting a traditional Spanish paella. Remember, cooking is an art, and paella is your canvas. Be adventurous, experiment with ingredients, and most importantly, savor the process. If you love this recipe, show some love with a like, subscribe for more culinary adventures and share your paella masterpieces in the comments below. Until next time, happy cooking and buen provecho!